Well, hello again everyone. We have got a leak on our Thetford toilet cassette. It's full at the moment, but don't worry, it's not full of poo. I filled it up a few days ago with the proper Thetford cassette cleaning chemical, and I'll just show you where it's leaking from. You can see at the moment the top of it is all nice and dry, but if you upend it as you would if you're wheeling it to the emptying point, then you can see we have a leak from here and also a leak from the edge of this circular part here. Now obviously that is going to give you a suboptimal cassette emptying experience, as when you go to tip it over, then your hands get covered in poo and wee. Now I have tried to buy the seals individually for this part and for the circular part, but I couldn't really find certainly a separate seal for sale for this part. So I've got myself a whole new circular lid thing and mechanism. But the first thing to do is to go and empty the cleaning fluid out of this cassette responsibly in an appropriate place and give it a good old rinse out. Right, well that is all rinsed out thoroughly now, and I believe we can just get this off just by turning it. Well folks, I have to say, even after that cleaning fluid being in there for several days and rinsing it out thoroughly, must have given it sort of 8 or 9 rinses until the water come out crystal clear, the inside of that cassette is not pristine, I can tell you. Oh dear. So yes, I can't really show you that on film, but safe to say it could probably do with another soaking in the cleaning stuff. There must have been some proper sticky ones in there. So this is what you get in the kit. This is the float thing, which I think works to set off the little light if it's full, and that just clicks in here like that. This retains the mechanism. You need to click this in like this. Do you? Yeah, just like that. And this thing, I'm not entirely sure what it is. It's another float of some sort. My old mechanism hasn't got it attached, so I'm not going to attach it to the new one. So I'm going to have a bit of a clean up round the housing where the mechanism goes, just to make sure I can get a good seal. And it should just click in. You don't get a new one of these, so I had to rob it off the old one. Now that seems a lot more positive to me. Last one was a little bit floppy. Right, let's fill it with water and see if it leaks. Right, that's pretty full now, and as you can see, no leaks from those previous problem areas. To properly test it though, I am going to have to do the toilet cassette dance. And as you can see, still no leakage. Well, that's absolutely splendid. No more getting covered in poo and wee when I empty the cassette. I am going to just put it back in the van now and check that that mechanism operates satisfactorily. Right, now let's check the mechanism. Very smooth. So there we go, that seems to have been a successful repair, and I'm very pleased that the next time I have to empty the cassette on a campsite, I won't get the contents of the cassette on my hands or leaking over my trousers or anything undesirable like that. That's not good at all, believe me. So yeah, happy days, and we'll see you again very soon on our next video.